Hi, everyone. If you run a business that deals with physical products, inventory is the backbone of what you do. But if you don't track it well, you're risking overstock, stock outs, or losing profit margins. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use inventory reports in QuickBooks, um, the complete guide for 2025. Yao? So you can see exactly what stock you have, what's on order, what's selling well, and where you might be losing out. Stick around. By the end, you'll be able to use these reports like a pro to make smarter decisions. First, let's talk about why these reports matter. QuickBooks inventory reports let you see what's on hand, how that stock is valued, what items are selling best, and what you still owe or have ordered. Having that info means you don't tie up cash in slow-moving inventory, and you can avoid disappointing customers when something sells out. Accessing the inventory reports, go to the Reports tab in QuickBooks. In many plans, especially Plus or Advanced, you'll find inventory reports under the Sales and Customers group. If you're looking for reports about purchase orders or what you still owe suppliers, check the Expenses and Vendors section. Key reports you should run: inventory. Valuation summary shows quantities on hand, the value of those items, and average cost per item. Helps you see what assets are tied up in stock. Inventory valuation detail breaks down transactions, sales, purchases, adjustments that affect each inventory item. Useful for tracing how the value or quantity changed. Sales. By product service, summary or detail tells you which items are selling fastest and gives insight into product performance. Physical inventory. Worksheet. A worksheet that helps you compare what QuickBooks thinks you have versus what you physically count. Great for spotting shrinkage or data entry errors. Open purchase order. Detail shows what you've ordered but not yet received, helps with cash flow planning and inventory commitments, customizing and making decisions. You can adjust date ranges, filter items, EIG by vendor, product category, group by product types, or reorder reports to show the most relevant information first. Use these insights to identify items that are slow movers and decide whether to discount, bundle, or stop stocking them. Spot stock shortages before they occur by watching reorder points or open PO reports. Ensure inventory value on your books matches reality via physical counts. Improve ordering decisions. Buying too much ties up cash. Buying too little risks losing sales. Common pitfalls to watch out for: not enabling inventory tracking in your settings. In some QuickBooks versions, you need to turn it on. Not using the right valuation method. QuickBooks often uses FIFO, first in, first out, which affects cost of goods and profit margins. If your cost tracking or inventory costing is off, your reports will mislead. Forgetting physical counts, what you think you have might differ. Shrinkage, damage, or data entry mistakes happen. Use the worksheet and reconcile periodically, and that's your full guide to using inventory reports in QuickBooks in 2025. Once you start regularly checking the valuation, open purchase orders, sales by product, and doing physical reconciliations, your inventory won't just be numbers. It'll become a powerful tool to grow your business. If you found this guide useful, consider giving a thumbs up, saving this video for future reference, and if you have questions or want a deeper dive into one of these reports, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Here's to smarter inventory management and better profits.